In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find Chrome download folder on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Chrome. Here, as you can see, currently I'm on a website that allows us to download some sample zip archives. I'm gonna use it to demonstrate you how it works. Now I'm gonna hit right here to download this sample zip archive. Now down below here we need to click add download and it will start downloading this file. It is just 1 megabyte, so it is already downloaded. And now the first way how we can find all Chrome downloads is just tap right here where it says open in, and then just select open in downloads. You will be redirected to the Files app directed to Chrome Downloads folder, where you can find all your downloads that you've made from Chrome web browser. All the recent downloaded files and all downloaded files are stored here. That's where we can find any downloads. And now I'm gonna show you different way how we can get to that folder. And the way is to use Files app directly. So now we need to head over to Files app. I'm going to show you from the beginning. So if you are at a browse page, first off you need to get into On My iPhone directory. Here we got several folders, however we are looking for Chrome, and then if we get into it we'll be taken to the same folder where we can find all our Chrome downloads. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.